Hi there and welcome back. We are now in the third screencast in learning how to manage your WordPress powered site. And in this screencast, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page because I want to show you how your pages are connected to your WordPress navigation. We will get into styling and more details about your pages in the next screencast. But this is to show you the connection between your pages and your site menu system. So I'm going to click Add New, and I'm just going to give this a new page. I'm just going to call it New Page. And what I've done is I've already copied some text from a word processing document. So I'm going to click down here in this text box, and I'm going to use this option right here where it says Paste as Plain Text. And I will explain why we do that in another screencast. But for now, I'm just going to paste the text that I copied in here so that I can paste it into WordPress as plain text. And I'm going to click Insert. And I'm just going to clean this up just a little bit. Again, we're going to go into detail about how to style your pages and your posts. So I'm just going to add one thing here. I'm going to add a heading to. And again, we will look at this in more detail in another screencast. But so now I have a new page, and what I want to do is I want to publish it. And I want to go back to the front end of the site, and I'm going to refresh the page. And what I want you to see is the page that I just created is now in my menu system. Your pages are automatically added to your WordPress navigation system. Now that might not be true depending on how your theme is built, but almost every theme uses the automatic navigation system in WordPress. So here's the new page that we just created, and we already have a link. Let's go. I also want to show you one other thing too, is that if you notice that I titled this new page, and so the title of the page is already added to the top of the page here. I didn't add that, to the actual text of the page. But what if you didn't want this menu item here? What if you wanted this new page you created to be second in your navigation? So that is what I want to show you very quickly. If you look right down here, you have a number of options that we will go again into details later, but for now I want to look at the order. And you see it says here pages are usually ordered alphabetically. So if we go back to the front page, these aren't alphabetical. They must be, those are ordered a different way. It says usually, but you can put a number above to change the order the pages appear. So what you can do is you can go through all of your menus and give them a number from 0, 1 to all of your pages, because your pages automatically become your menus, and give them a number from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that way you can control exactly where your menu items appear. So by default they're all going to say 1, right? So you would need to change them individually. I'm just going to save that and show you one other thing in this screencast. I'm going to go back to pages. I'm going to go to edit, and it will list all of my pages. And so here is my home, and if I just do a quick edit, I'm going to get this little box here, and it shows the order here. This says 0. So let's say if I wanted if I wanted this one to be 2, I could do quick edit, and I could add 1. And then you could just go through each menu item, going from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, to determine the order and how they appear on your front end. You may not see exactly what we changed there, but you can make this 1. This would be 0, so this would be 1, 2, 3, etc. And you can manage how those appear. That's quick. We're going to come back to this about how to manage your menu items, but I wanted you to see the connection between your pages and your navigation system. So we're going to continue with pages in the next screencast. Bye!